Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this soft pretty and pink makeup look to match my outfit. Let's get started. First, I'm splashing some Viva rose water and just patting and let it sink in. Next, locking in that juicy glow with Holy Grail Hada Labo Moisturizer because we want that skin super plump before we touch any makeup. Anyway, remember, always clean your brush before makeup. And then I'm putting on my Wardah BB cream because it's light and glowy. And I use this Bright Artisan Pro foundation on my T-zone because it works like a concealer to highlight the center of my face and add nice dimension. Okay, this is my Brow Cara makeup product and I'm starting with brow pencil and apply it to my brow styles and blend it. Next, I use Brow Cara to make it more natural, and lastly, I concealing my brows to clean it up. Ta-da! This is the result. While I'm showing you guys my brushes, I look at my primer and I forgot to put it on the first, but that's okay. And now I'm showing you guys my eyeshadow palette from Salsa and it's broken, but that's okay because I can use it. And then this is my Judydoll palette. For the first, I put the white base on my eyes. Next, I'm using the pink shades from my Salsa palette. I'm blending it only on the outer corners of my lids. After that, I'll bring the color down to my lower lash line with a brush to keep everything looking soft and natural. And then this is my third palette. It's from OMG. I use the red color to add some dimension. I'm using this palette to sketch my eyeliner first, but I'll be deepening it later with the aegyosal eyeliner to make my eyes look sharper. And as you can see, I'm making aegyosal right now to make a dimension like my eyes is bigger, and this is the result. And lastly, I use this glitter to make my aegyosal more dimension, and then I use this contour from Judydoll, and as you can see, this is the result. By the way, I'm so sorry I forgot to use this powder, but it is what it is. And then I'm going to curl my lashes, but first I actually warm up my lash curlers to make sure the curl holds all day long. Now it's time to use the fake lash. Anyway, I'm use this glue from Salsa, and then I'm gonna use two fake lash. The first fake lash is from Milai A38, and under fake lash I use from Milai A18. For these individuals, I apply them above in my natural lashes on the outer edge, but underneath for the middle and the inner part. It just makes the eyes pop so much better. Now I'm gonna use the blush, and then I use this under lashes, and then I add some mascara to make it a little bold. Okay, since I don't have lip balm, I use water to moisturize my lip before I use this lip matte. Anyway, I use this lip matte from OMG shade Latte, and I blend it with my finger. And for the second lip, I use this from OMG Lip Matte shade Berry, and I blend it with brush. Actually, I want to make like love shape. And for the last, I use this Pinkflash matte finishing powder, and then now I'm just gonna add some highlighter, and ta-da! This is the final look. I changed into my pink outfit and added a digital lens filter using wing to complete the look. I hope you guys love it. See you next time.